Hey everyone, Barry Brooksby here. Welcome to my Wealth Optimized YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered if there's an investment out there where you can grow money guaranteed, have access to liquid cash, and use that money 100% tax-free? A lot of you might be investing in 401ks or IRAs that don't give you a guarantee. You can't access the money truly until you're 59 and a half, and it's tax deferred. You're kicking the tax can down the road, and who knows what tax rates will be 10, 20, 30 years from now. There's an asset out there that does allow you to grow money guaranteed, access liquid cash without a penalty before the age 59 and a half, and use the money 100% tax-free. It's cash value whole life insurance, high cash value whole life that is properly structured for you to grow money guaranteed every year and have access not only to the money you put in, but all of those gains 100% tax-free. So let's look at the top benefits of high cash value whole life. Number one is guaranteed growth of your money. You make money every year. And because you're growing money on a compound growth curve, you make more money from one year to the next. That growth is always getting larger. As you'll see here in this high cash value illustration, you're growing money guaranteed every year. So total cash value is getting larger and larger. And that's because you're earning a guaranteed rate of return. This high cash value policy is not tied to the stock market. The second benefit of high cash value whole life is that you have access to liquid cash. You do not have to wait until you're 59 and a half like you do in a 401k or IRA to access cash. The cash is liquid 30 days after you start the policy. And what that means is you can use this policy as your own bank. You can invest in real estate, you can invest in your business, you can take policy loans to pay off higher interest rate loans. Currently, loan rates today are around 5% in the policy. So if you have a credit card or a car loan or a private money loan, and those loan rates are higher than 5%, it would be smart to take a policy loan to pay off those higher debts. But what's even smarter is when you access liquid cash, take policy loans, and go buy cash flowing assets like real estate. Put that money into an investment where you know you're going to make even more money. And the amazing thing about this access to liquid cash, when you take a policy loan from your high cash value life insurance policy, the insurance company doesn't physically remove the money from your cash value. They put a lien against it. What that means is you are still earning interest and dividends on your total cash value, even though you have a policy loan. Access to liquid cash is very important for opportunities, but also to grow more wealth throughout your life. As you see here in this total cash value column, cash value is always growing, and this column of cash value does include the dividend. These mutual insurance companies that I recommend, they all pay dividends, and those dividends are reinvested back into policy cash value. Well, this cash value is liquid. You're not locking up your money until the age of 59 and a half. You can begin to take policy loans 30 days after you start the policy. The third benefit of high cash value whole life is protection. Yes, you get a permanent death benefit. This is a whole life policy. No matter when you pass away, it will always pay a death benefit. Unlike term insurance that might last 10, 20, or 30 years that most people outlive, your whole life policy gives you protection all throughout your life. And we see that total death benefit here. And notice the total death benefit is also growing throughout your life. This allows you to leave a larger legacy, but it also allows you to have a tax-free death benefit there for estate planning. But what I mean more so by protection is that in most states, your cash value is protected from creditors, lawsuits, and even bankruptcy. It's a very safe place to store cash. You're getting permanent whole life death benefit protection, and you're getting protection of your cash value in most states. Benefit 4 of high cash value whole life is 100% tax-free use of your money. As I mentioned, you can use the cash value as your own bank throughout your life, but it also will become a retirement plan for you. When you get into retirement, you can use that total cash value as tax-free streams of retirement income. This particular policy was funded at $20,000 a year through the age of 60. And notice at the age of 60, there's $922,000 of cash value. Starting at the age of 61, there's no more premium going into the policy. It's done being funded. So a total of $500,000 would have gone into the policy. But notice, even after the premium stops, the total cash value continues to grow. The money that you see here in the total cash value, this is what you're able to use for tax-free retirement income. One of the things that I teach you is how to turn that money into even more money through retirement. For example, if you begin taking retirement income at the age of 70 and you see $1.5 million of cash value here, I teach you how to turn that into $2 million completely tax-free. So this particular policy had $500,000 going into it over a 25-year time frame, and this person will be able to take out $2 million completely tax-free. And in retirement, you don't pay any of the $2 million back. That will come off of the death benefit upon your passing. So in this case, the beneficiaries would still receive about $450,000 as a tax-free death benefit. Imagine the peace of mind you would have adding this asset to your portfolio. It's not tied to the stock market. It's going to grow money guaranteed every year. The cash is not locked up until you're 59 and a half. You have permanent protection, unlike term insurance, and you're able to use all this cash value 100% tax-free throughout your life and as a stream of tax-free retirement income. There are many more benefits in a high cash value policy than what we're seeing here. These are the top 4 benefits of high cash value whole life. I would invite you to look at your own numbers, click the link below, schedule a call, and see how high cash value whole life will benefit you and your portfolio. It's an asset that will continue to work for you throughout your life. And for more education and content, you can visit my YouTube channel @Wealth Optimized.